Hello everyone, I am Anjali and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to stitch katori cut blouse. Earlier we have done the measurement and cutting. Now we will stitch this together. So first we will give the darts here, this one and the side one. Similarly with the another side also, this and this, these two darts, and then we will join this curve. So here you can see I have given these darts and then I have attached this from this curve, both the sides, and now it's looking like this. If there is an extra cloth while joining this curve, you can always adjust it according to your size and shape. And this is the back side. These two darts are for the back side. This is also done. And now we will attach this at the downside to the blouse. So for that what you have to do is you have to cut the similar part, one more part for both the sides. So this way we will have these four pieces, exact size, exact shape, and then we will join this from here and then turn it around like this from the right side, and then we will join this at the lower part of our blouse. I'll show you how to do this. First we will join these two parts like this and these two parts from the downside like this. So here you can see I have attached it from here, so it's looking like this. Now I will give a stitch here, on this stitch, just on the edges, so that it will be pressed with the stitch and it will look clean. Similarly I have to do same with the another strip also. This way our strip will be the double layered strip like this, and now we will join this part to the lower part of our curve of the front part of blouse. So here you can see I have attached this lower part to here, and it's looking like this. From the back side it's looking like this. So here you can see that I've got this extra cloth here. So if you are getting this extra cloth, you can always adjust it according to your size of your shape of your blouse like this. So you can see our the front part is ready. Now we will cut this 2-inch wide strip and we will attach it here at the front side of the blouse for the buttons. So this is the right side of my blouse, so at the right side you have to attach this at the downside, at the wrong side of your blouse here like this. On the edges you have to give the stitch, and on the right side you have to attach this on the right side of your blouse part. So here you can see that this strip on the right side I am attaching it on the top of the blouse, and left side I am attaching on the back side of my blouse. Just on the edges give a stitch. So here you can see this is the left side of my blouse. So here I have attached it from the back side and it's looking like this. Now we will fold this. For folding, what you have to do is just give a one fold and then another fold just on the stitch, that you have given, just on that like this, and then give a machine stitch, or you can do the hemming also. So here our buttons stitch will come, and on the left side, this is the left side, this is the right side. So on the right side we have attached the strip on from the upside of the blouse. Now for that you have to fold it like this. Just give one fold and another fold will come exactly inside like this. And on the right side I'll recommend you to do a hemming with your hands. Don't do the machine stitch, because machine stitch will be visible and it doesn't look nice. It doesn't give the clean look. So here I have got this. Now I will close this with a stitch, and then I'll attach both the shoulders, the back side with the front one, and then I'll attach the sleeves. So when you are attaching this at your front side, just keep in your mind that the downside, give a half inch or just 2 centimeter extra cloth at the bottom to just fold it. What you have to do is, it's looking like this, so just give this a fold and then give a double fold for the front side for the buttons like this. So here you can see that now it's looking like this, so it's looking very clean. Now we will stitch this. Similarly we have to do with the another side also. Just give a 2 centimeter extra strip at the bottom for the folding. So here you can see from the downside it's folded and it's looking very clean, and it's closed now. So it's looking like this. Now we will attach the shoulders from the back side, both the shoulders. Now for the neckline, make a bias banding like this. I have cut the bias strips and then attached it from here, and then what you have to do is just give a one fold like this and then give a stitch to all over the strip. You have to give this, and then we will attach this strip to the our neckline. So when this fold is done, your strip is ready to attach to your blouse piece. So this is the one end of my blouse, this is the front side. Just leave a half an inch of strip here and then start stitching this at the edge of the blouse like this. And now just stretch your strip little bit. Don't stretch the blouse fabric, just stretch the strip little bit and then start stitching this just on the edges, and take this around your neck like this. Now our strip is attached to the sides of the neckline. Now we will make a piping. For piping, what you have to do is just fold this half an inch extra fabric inside like this, and then make a fold just on the edges, and then start stitching it from the one side and take it to the next side, and your piping will be like this. So I'll do this. keep folding this piping and give a stitch. So you can see your piping is looking like this. So here you can see the shoulders are attached, piping is done, and I have attached the sleeves from both the sides. And now we will you can see that this extra 1 inch of fabric is here at the back side of your blouse. So what you have to do is just give a stitch, fold this, and then just give a stitch here, and then close this, and then we will close the sides according to your fittings. Take the round arm of your fittings, take half of it, mark it here, then your chest point, and then your waist point, and close it, and then our katori cut blouse will be ready. So here our single katori cut blouse is ready. Here we will put the buttons, this side we will put the buttons, and here we will get the stitches for the hooks, and then it will come like this. So here you can see that at the sleeves this katori cut is going very much near to the sleeve.